Hey y'all, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and today I'm going to show you my new spring wreath that is part of the DIY Floral Challenge hosted by my friends Heidi Sonbol at Happily Thriving Heidi and Lindsay from Domer Home. So I wanted to do a wreath that was inspired by the new metal circle wreaths that I keep seeing everywhere, and this is what I came up with. I used a bunch of white peonies that had some pink tips, these kind of sagey looking flowers that we've always called rabbit ears, and these longer stems that are purple. I used a wreath form that was left over from my baby shower. It's one of the ones that you stick ribbons through, and this is actually a perfect one because you could use all 4 rings if you wanted to make 4 different wreaths, but I just used pliers to take the attachments apart, and I am using the largest ring on this wreath today. I used this Krylon Champagne Nouveau spray paint, which is actually a really nice color since the floral colors I used are more muted. I made sort of a swag with half of the floral pieces and used the floral wire to attach those in the middle. And then I used more floral wire to attach it in the middle part to the ring. I had to actually add a couple pieces on the outside a little farther out just to make sure that it didn't go straight out and it kind of conformed to the circle. I hot glued 4 of the peonies into the middle of the swag of flowers, but I just wanted to point out that when you do the hot gluing, it was actually more helpful for me to have it hanging upright instead of having it down on the table, so hopefully that will help you guys too. I was at Hobby Lobby getting the flowers. I also picked up this ribbon. It's a glittery, dusty pink, and I think it's perfect for bows on my IKEA lanterns out on the porch. So that's my spring wreath and simple spring porch decor for this year. Thanks so much to Heidi and Lindsay for hosting this challenge. I hope you will all follow the link in my description box to see the rest of the playlist. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you will stick around for more decorating, DIY, organizing, and mommy videos. See you next time. Bye guys.